Welcome to lesson number 7, how to set up AdX and AdSense. In this lesson, we will learn what's the difference between AdX and AdSense. We will also see some benefits for the publisher and how to implement it in GAM. Let's start. Ad exchange line items allow you to make ad inventory available to authorized buyers and the open auction. Buyers bid to win ad space and help monetize inventory you would not otherwise sell. Ad exchange line items are similar to AdSense line items, which make inventory available to AdSense buyers and perform a similar function to yield groups. But why exactly do you need to set it up? Google clearly mentions that if two line items traffic with AdX and AdSense are run at the same priority, Ad Manager randomly selects one for ad serving. So we strongly advise to set them up correctly in order to maximize revenue. Otherwise, Google will choose randomly from each of them. So we need to take control of how our revenue is being sold. Benefits for the publisher. Apart from remnant inventory handling, one should also consider the competition these platforms bring to your inventory. Basically, Google is very competitive when it comes to winning an impression, thanks to its sophisticated algorithm to match advertisers and users. Likewise, it adding AdX and AdSense to the mix ensures that you have the right deal and getting paid the fair amount for your inventory. Before we begin, we have to link the AdSense and AdX account. The process is very similar, but we're going to go through the steps one by one from the screenshots. First, we have to navigate to Admin and Linked Accounts. There you will see the Ad Exchange tab and AdSense tab. You're going to click Add New Link, then enter the property code. Property types are aligned with inventory types in Ad Manager. The property code consists of the publisher ID associated with your AdSense or Ad Exchange account, along with an identifier of the inventory type. Then enter a display name, which you'll select when you create an AdSense or Ad Exchange line item. Then enter the contact email address that's used to sign in to the AdSense or Ad Exchange. Afterwards, enter the account verification details, such as the zip code or last 5 digits of the phone number associated with the account. Finally, click Save. Remember that Ad Manager may take a moment to validate the link. If successful, the new network will be displayed in the linked accounts section with a pending status. For Ad Exchange, no other steps are needed. When using AdSense, please keep in mind that you need to activate a third-party access to Ad Manager in AdSense to Link account. To do so, go to AdSense, click Menu, Settings, Access and Authorizations, Third-Party Access. Locate the request for your Ad Manager network and click Apply. Now, we can start checking the implementation to see how to set them up properly in GAM 360. Now we're going to see how to use AdSense, but on the line item level. First, you need to go to Orders and create a new order. You can choose the name of your preference. For this example, we're going to use Ad Pushup as an advertiser and create that line item. You can choose Display, choose the name of your preference, and we're going to choose AdSense for the type of line item. You can then assign the ad sizes that you use the most. We're going to do 300 by 250 and 300 by 600. Remember to select on Web Property your AdSense account. And then add the targeting of your preference. Afterwards, we're going to add the creatives. You're going to click on Add Creative, New Creative, and select the size. You can add the name of your preference and then click on Select by Ad Unit Name. You're going to select the ad unit that you want to use and then save and preview. Then you're going to do the same steps for your other size. And you can do this with as many sizes as you choose. Just remember to select the correct ad unit and then click on Save. This is how easy it is to add AdSense on the line item level. Finally, you need to approve the line item, and that's it. After we've linked our AdX and AdSense accounts, we're gonna set up our AdX line item. I've created an order for the example, and we need to click Create a new line item. After this, you can select Display or Video. I'm going to select Display, then name your AdX line item. Under Type, choose Ad Exchange. Then, for expected creatives, you can choose the size you want or just enable all requested sizes. Afterwards, select in Start Time immediately, then End Time unlimited, and as you see, it says that the cost will be optimized by dynamic allocation. This is a setting that you can set up on your ad network level. Afterwards, you can add targeting, but you can choose not to have any. Then click Save. Finally, we're gonna do the creatives, and we can easily do this by just clicking on Automatically Generate Creative. GAM will automatically create them, and that's it. You've set up your AdX account. We've reached the end of this lesson. We learned how to set up AdX and AdSense in different ways in our GAM. Thank you so much for watching, and let's jump to the next lesson.